Welcome to all of you in Teaching Junction channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to make these 3D graphs using Microsoft Excel. In previous video we have made simple pie chart, and in this video we will make this 3D pie chart. So let's start this tutorial. I have already entered the data about the family expenditure. First column shows the items and second column shows the expenditure in rupees. You can see here there are only 5 entries. Up to 7 entries we use these simple pie graph and 3D graph. So let's start this tutorial. First select this data, go to insert tab, select pie and 3D pie. You can use this handle to resize this chart. Click on the chart area and go to quick layout. I want this layout. So first I change the title. Click on title, write formula bar, new title, family expenditure. Click enter. You can also move this title according to your requirement. Click on data labels. This rectangular appear which contain small dots on their corner. So right click on this and go to format data labels. I want that these items names as well as their percentages appeared in the graph, so I will check on category name and percentage. So these both appeared in this graph. And label position, I want center, so it appeared in center. You can also, when click chart area, 3 options appeared. First one is chart filter. Click on chart filter. Here different options appear, which includes food, clothing, house, fuel, and if you uncheck any of these, then it will be disappeared from this graph. Click on legend. Legend options appeared here. You fill, border, color. So firstly I want to change this color. Select any of this area of this graph. Click on this. You can see a small dot appeared. It means that all this area is selected. I want to change its color. This one. You can also change the color of individual piece. In previous video in simple pie chart I have explained that procedure, so I will not explain that procedure again. Click on legend. The legend information is already mentioned this graph, so we did not require this. And select this and press backscape, so it will disappear. So I will change the font size. Go to home, its color black and bold. You can also change the location by selecting and dragging its rectangle shape. You can also change this label. Click on this label. All labels are selected. You can see rectangular area or square, with small circle appeared on all labels. I change this to 12 and bold. After that you can select this chart. You can see all chart is selected. Go to effects. Firstly I mark these borders. Change this border. Go to fill and line. Border solid line. Black to it. It's okay. So its border is changed to black color. Next one, select this and go to effect, 3D format. Click on 3D formats and top barrels round. You can see its edges become round. Bottom barrel round, and width and height select 250, 250, two 250 and 250. So all I have selected 250. So you can see its color, its shape is totally changed. Now I click on this, and another one is go no, scroll down, go to material and select soft edges. Now you can also move this pie in graph according to your requirement. Go to this option, series options, and angle of first slice. You can also increase or decrease. You can see it start moving. If you want to emphasize that someone's slice is important for you, you can move this slice apart from this graph. First single click on this graph, then double click on the slice you want to highlight. I double click on this food. You can see here only dot appeared here. It's mean only this area is selected, or the whole graph is not selected. So when I increase point explosion, it start moving. You can see here this area is start moving. This area is called plot area and this is called chart area. Select chart area, go to format and the shape outline black and width 1.5, and I want shape fill gradient or texture and select this one. Sorry, I will backspace because I have selected slice. I deselect that slice, select chart area, shape fill, go to texture and select this one. You can see the texture appeared here. Similar, you can also fill this area through any other color. If you select this, or you can choose gradient or picture according to your requirement. So there's plenty of options are available here and you can choose according to your requirement. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.